Do you know the sweet spot for conversational AI? That is what we will explore in this video. AI digital assistants offer a range of benefits for both customers and businesses. From a user standpoint, a digital assistant is instant and always available 24/7 on weekends, holidays, or during the night. This means chatbots can offer a significant improvement in the customer experience. They can be present in almost any channel, bringing this service close to where customers are in a plenitude of mediums. It provides an easy interface without the need to navigate a website maze in order to find the right place. This simplicity allows for extending its reach. And the communication is done conversationally, which is something every user can do. All these points together make an extremely compelling customer journey. From a business point of view, the improved customer experience is already a win, but there are other benefits as well. For businesses with a call center, having a conversational digital assistant will dramatically reduce the impact on call centers, especially for low-value calls. The response time can also be maintained consistently because even for peak times, it does not depend on human availability immediately. Another interesting benefit is the consistency in the responses because, again, does not rely on the human factor. Furthermore, a faster user experience increases customer satisfaction. So, what is the sweet spot of a conversational digital assistant? Frequently asked questions. This is a perfect use case. It allows businesses to expose their FAQs, anything that is relevant for the business. From can I expense a movie? Or do I qualify for business travel? Or if I test positive, how long do I have to stay off work? To simpler things like when are you open? All of these can very easily be exposed in the digital assistant, providing all of the benefits I talked about before. Another great use case is anything that is a high-frequency simple transaction. This varies by business, but things like booking a vacation in the system, creating an expense report, or giving an employee feedback would qualify for a digital assistant. In the context of customer service, digital assistants are phenomenal in handling high-load call center questions. Where is my order, or how do I do something? Are good examples of use cases where a digital assistant would excel, taking the burden from the back office. Information gathering is also a good example. Think about cases where the assistant gathers customer details before the agent handover or gathers information about a sales lead to update the system. These are very oriented to the information gathering purpose, but do work well in relieving some of the burdens on the client. These are just some examples of sweet spots for a conversational assistant. This quote is particularly relevant in the context of AI conversational technology. Do not feel that every problem requires an AI assistant to solve it. There are cases where it simply does not bring added value to the user or the business. Clearly, some use cases may not be a good fit or may be better served with a richer UI interaction. For example, anything with a long-form filling questionnaire, like tax returns, would not be a good use case. If the interaction is complex, with long engagements, or if it requires visual representations, none of those is a good fit for a conversation. Think about booking a family holiday with flights, hotels, insurance, car rental, etc. Also, anything that is not truly conversational, like command line queries or search-like queries, will probably not be a good fit. But even for some of those use cases, we can still add some value with an assistant. For example, in a tax return use case, we could leverage the assistant to answer tax return questions or provide further assistance in how to do something or clarify some tax jargon. Same thing for any other use case. A digital assistant can always play a role, whether that is the primary transaction or only in a support capacity. I hope this gave a proper insight into the spaces where digital assistants excel. Thanks for watching. In the description below, you can find the link for our assistant called RT. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.